In this episode, we will delve into the fascinating era when the first eukaryotic cells emerged. Through a process called endosymbiosis, these cells developed complex structures, enabling the rise of multicellular organisms and significantly impacting evolutionary history. Some cells engulfed others, forming mitochondria and chloroplasts. Oxygen levels rose, boosting energy and complexity. Fossils confirm the first eukaryotic cells appeared, reshaping evolution. And now, let's explore how this breakthrough set the stage for life's future. In a primordial ocean, eukaryotic cells float, their membranes glistening in green waters. Inside, their nuclei and organelles hint at future complexity. Slowly, they respond to their environment, evolving new traits that will drive the next great leap in the history of life. A cluster of diverse eukaryotic cells drifts in the ocean, each displaying unique internal compartments. Their textured surfaces hint at adaptations to changing environments. A dark nucleus is visible within, marking a major leap in complexity as life continues to evolve. Fossilized remains of early eukaryotic cells lie within ancient sediment, their structures and nuclei still discernible. Over billions of years, mineral-rich layers have preserved these delicate imprints, offering a glimpse into the ocean where these life forms once existed. In an ancient ocean, a eukaryotic cell engulfs rod-shaped bacteria. Instead of being broken down, the bacteria persist inside, forming a symbiotic partnership. This critical moment sets the stage for mitochondria, paving the way for more advanced cellular life. Inside the eukaryotic cell, engulfed bacteria evolve into mitochondria. These bean-shaped structures, enclosed by a double membrane, float in the cytoplasm. Their presence signals a leap in energy production, paving the way for greater complexity in cellular life. A eukaryotic cell engulfs photosynthetic bacteria, which eventually become chloroplasts. The scene shows the cell's membrane wrapping around a green, oval-shaped bacterium. The cytoplasm contains both mitochondria and new chloroplasts, indicating evolutionary progression. A vast expanse of ancient ocean covers the Earth, teeming with microscopic eukaryotic cells. These cells float in the water, benefiting from the increasing oxygen levels. The sun's rays penetrate the surface, supporting photosynthesis and further boosting oxygen production. In the dim ocean depths, colonies of simple multicellular organisms grow on rocks and sediment. They rely on rising oxygen, gaining energy to survive. Faint beams of light filter through the water as these early creatures begin shaping the future of life on Earth. A thriving ecosystem of photosynthetic organisms covers the ocean's surface, driven by the enhanced oxygen production. Algal blooms create patches of vivid green and blue, absorbing sunlight efficiently. This abundance of life contributes significantly to oxygen levels. Floating in ancient seas, diverse eukaryotic cells display flexible membranes and intricate cytoskeletons. They drift effortlessly, their structures illuminated by faint sunlight filtering through the water. These early adaptations mark a key step in cellular evolution. Small groups of eukaryotic cells begin forming primitive colonies, hinting at early multicellularity. These clusters show varied shapes and sizes, connected by membrane extensions. Soft light from above highlights the cells, casting subtle reflections on their surfaces. Eukaryotic cells engage in genetic recombination, showcasing their evolutionary adaptability. Chromosomal material exchanges within a vibrant, illuminated cytoplasm. The scene is dynamic, with bright colors representing genetic diversity, set against a dark oceanic backdrop. In the vast ocean, Single-celled protists hover, some using flagella to propel through the water, while others photosynthesize with bright chloroplasts. These diverse eukaryotes flourish in their environment, representing an early step in the evolution of complex life. A group of predatory protists glide through murky water, hunting smaller organisms. They possess specialized structures for capturing prey, showcasing their adaptation to predation. The scene highlights the complexity and diversity among early eukaryotic life forms. Floating near the surface, photosynthetic protists absorb sunlight, their chloroplasts emitting a soft green glow. Against the deep blue water, they illustrate the beginnings of photosynthesis, a key process that will one day support complex life forms on Earth. Thank you for watching. Creating high-quality content takes a lot of time and effort, from research to production. If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to support the channel. Your engagement helps us continue making great content. Stay curious and see you in the next episode.